Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Bree. I hope you're okay. I hope you're being kind to yourself and to others. If you're having a good day and you're happy to see this face, then give me a subscription. So it's almost 4. I'm from running errands, and also I've been working on these thank you cards. I use them in the packages when someone ordered something, and they are so simple and so basic, and I hate basic. Anyway, so in case you didn't know, I said green babies, and I also do consultations. You know, when you don't know what to grow in the house or outside, then I can help with that. Also, if you're that type of a person who is afraid to make their hands dirty, still I can help. If you're afraid to kill them, I can help also. At the moment, I'm manifesting a very big garden in Nairobi where I can have my greenhouse, my nurseries, and make my business thrive. And I hate talking about my dreams to people, but maybe there's a destiny connector somewhere watching this video. So if you're the one, stretch that helping hand. I want to go to my mama mboga, get some fruits and githeri, come home, take a shower, and make dinner. But then I'm watching Marine. I'm in season 4. Home, I cannot wait to get married. Then I'll be shouting, honey, I'm home. People who are married or you have babies and you never announce your arrival, why is so boring? So I'm from town to send some packages, and I do not stay near town and I do not often go over there. So anytime I get a chance to visit, I tend to make a maximum use of the day. So I went to Gekomba, and tell me why I reached there and the vendors have not opened the vibandas. So apparently these people decided to go on a strike. But I got a few attempts anyway, and I want to do a haul. I got this skirt, which is so pretty. I mean, the prints, the design. Check out the brand.